Now after marking, just join it. You will be getting a line. Okay. Then let us go with the second equation. What it is? 0, 5. Again 0, 5. Same values we can check both for both the equations. That's why they are coincident lines. Here you can give the equation as x plus y is equal to 5. Here you can give the equation as 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Okay, so this is about the first problem. Now we will move to the next problem of the same topic. So the one more problem is like this. 2x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. 4x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. So write down a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. So a1 is 2, b1 is minus 2, c1 is minus 2. a2 is 4, b2 is minus 4, c2 is minus 5. Now let us check the ratios. a1 by a2 is a1 is 2, b1 is 4, 2 by 4, 2 ones are 2 twos are 1 by 2 we are getting. b1 by b2, let us check it out. b1 is minus 2, b2 is minus 4, 2 ones are 2 twos are 1 by 2 we are getting. Now c1 by c2, c1 is minus 2, c2 is minus 5, minus minus get cancelled 2 by 5. Here you can check that these two are equal and it is different. That is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2. So they are inconsistent. If they are inconsistent, no need of graph. Okay. Next we will move to the next problem of the exercise. Of the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 cm more than its width is 36 cm. Find the dimension of the garden. Dimension means what is its length and what is its breadth, that you have to check. Okay. So what is compared with the what thing? Let us check it out. Okay. Length is 4 meter more than its width they have given. That means width should be taken as a x here. So breadth, width, breadth both are same. Next, length of rectangle is what? 4 meter more than its width. That's why x plus 4, which is length. Now, so what is the perimeter of rectangle formula, children? 2 of L plus B. Actually, they have given of the perimeter of the garden. They have given of means 1 by 2 of this. 2 to get cancel L plus B you are getting, that is 36 is equal to L plus B. So what is L? Just check it out, x plus 4. What is B? You check it out, x, which is equal to 36. X plus x, 2x plus 4 is equal to 36. Send 4 to this side. 2x is equal to 36 minus 4. So 2x is equal to 32. X is equal to 32 by 2. 1s are 6 are. So 16 we are getting. Width is 16 meter. So length x plus 4, isn't it? So 16 plus 4, that is 20 meter. Length is 20 meter and width is 16 meter. It is the dimension of the rectangle. Next, we will move to the next problem of the exercise. So given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is intersecting line, parallel lines and coincident line. Just it is framing the equation for a given particular conditions. Okay. So what is the intersecting line condition? a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. What we are having a1 and a1, b1, c1, let us check it out. And what should be given for a2, b2, let us check it out. Okay. So a1 is 2, b1 is 3. So just interchange them. That time you will get a2 as a 3 and b2 as a 2. See, 2 by 3 will not be equal to 3 by 2. So the equation 3x 2y, see whatever you want you can give. I am giving plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is for first question. Now for the second, parallel lines condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2. Isn't it? So a1 by a2 is what? 2 by a2, 3 by b2, and c1 is minus 8 by 2. So these two should be equal. For that reason, a2 also you give 2 because 2 by 2 is 1. When b2 you give as a 3 because 3 by 3 is 1. And c2 you give something else so that it cannot be equal to this thing. Okay, it should not be equal. That's why I have given the equation as a 2x plus 3y. Here I give it plus 6. Okay, I gave the value as a plus 6 here. This is the second equation for parallel lines. Now for coincident lines, what is the condition? All the three should be equal. So the same equation you can write once again, or all the terms you multiply with 2, whatever you are getting, that will be the equation. Okay, in this we can frame the equation for a particular condition. Now the last problem of the exercise, children. The last problem is draw the graph of an equation x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of a triangle formed by these lines and x-axis and share the triangular region. This is the given thing. Now let us solve the things first. Equations we will solve because we had to draw the graph for this. So for first equation, x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. X is 0. 0 minus y plus 1 is, y you send this means y will be 1. x1 means 1 plus 1 2. Y you send this side, that's why y will be 2. Here also x is equal to 2 means 2 plus 1 is 3. That is y value will be 3. So we got for 0 1, for 1 2, for 2 3. Now we will go with the second equation. 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. There we will check it out. X value 0 I am giving. 3 into 0 plus 2y is equal to 12. So the entire this thing becomes 0. 2y will be 12. Send 2 to this side. 12 by 2, 2 1s are 2 6. Next x is equal to 2 you give. 3 2s are 6. 2y is 12 minus 6, which is 6. Y will be 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. X you give as a 4. 3 4s are 12. 2y is equal to 12 minus 12. 0 you are getting, which is 0. So this is the thing. Now let us plot the graph of this. Okay. Now same horizontal and vertical line, x and x dash, y and y dash, positive numbers, negative numbers, positive number, negative number, scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Now the first one we will mark for 0 1, here will be the marking 0 1, for 1 2, here is the marking for 1 2, for 2 3, 2 comma 3, 1 we have drawn. Okay, draw a line here. Now let us go with the second equation. What is second equation? For 0 6, 0 6, for 2 3, already it is here, then 4 0. Now join this. So it is 0 6, 2 3, and this is 0 4. Now what is the question you are having? Just check it out. So determine the coordinates of the vertices of triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shade the triangular region they are saying. See, from these vertices, what are the things you have found? You just check it.